Just like that. You jump twice, you jump. Okay. Go for it, girl. Ow. Did you hit it? I didn't notice. Can I do it one more time?
No, not me.
Not you? No. Wait, did you have it pushed up against you though? Like firmly?
Yeah,
Like
you
it's
know
gonna be
I'm weakling.
Oh yeah, okay, whatever.
Oh, hold on. Let me get you again. Oh.
Hey, look.
Lost Cindy. She took off. Lisa.
Yeah. Nice job. Åses! Du jagar? Alright, we're going to do the Bible. We're going to do it both in English and in Cherokee. We're going to do it in, actually we should do it in Cherokee first. What do you think? I think we'll do it in Cherokee first. So I'll hold this like this. And so, alright, see. Ost. See. Glasses over doing it. See, let's see. Ah, yes. Okay, Ost. Kanoheda. John. Uwo Huelana. Excuse. Ayatosla. Sawa. So, Ost, good. Kanoheda, word. John. Uwo Huelana, written. Sue, Sawa, walking. Ayatosla, Sawa, chapter 1. Okay, so, Didalaniska. See, Didalaniska and Kanoheda. Ale, Naski, Kanoheda, Netanahi, Julaha, and Ale, Naski, Kanoheda, Netanahi, Gesai. Okay. So, see, that's the Ost, Kanoheda, Johnny, Uwo Huelana, Iyatosla. Ayatosla. So, Didalaniska. See, Didalaniska. Kanoheda. Oh, that's right. Didalaniska, Kanoheda. Ale, Naski, Kanoheda, Unekanahi, Ejulaha, and Ale, Naski, Kanoheda, Unekanahi, Gesai. Means ku saw we walked to just.
Kanoheda. Johnny, Uwohulana. Ayatosla. Sawa. Didlaniska. Kanoheda. Ale, Naski. Kanoheda. Netana. Julaha. Le, Naski. Kanoheda. Netanahi. Gesai.
Non-English. John. chapter 1, verse 1. It doesn't say chapter 1 in the regular Bible, though. Story of the Word. Okay, chapter 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. So that's what we just read. To-do list na to-do list chutanti. Use na yon negan to-do list chutanti shopping. Okay. So, okay, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. And then the Word was with God, and the Word was good. And that's the same as, sort of, there's very slight variation. That's pretty close. So, see. Did the Laniska in the beginning. Could now head down. Huh? Wait, did the Laniska? Could now head down. Wait, see. Excuse? Did the Laniska? Could now head down. Alright, Naski. Could now head down. Uneka nahi. Ejulaha. Gesai.
Alehe.
Anahe.
Kesari.
Gesai, yeah.
Masale.
Ale, Naski. Canal head down, uneka nahi. Gesai. Again,
Eka.
squeeze. Very good.
Yeah, he kidded to go. Hold on. What did you go?
Okay. You know what he said, David? He said if the other letters in the book were that big, it'd be a lot better.